Ruhi, what are you doing?
Eating chocolate.
Oh wow.
We have so many in our house.
Yes, we do. We had given Ruhi a surprise on her birthday. Chocolate World, which I'll share the video in this video only, and you can see how the surprise was. Did you like that surprise? Birthday surprise?
Yes.
You loved it? And how many chocolates we have?
200.
200. Okay. Did you get everything? What I asked you to?
Yes.
Okay, so today we are ready with another activity. And Ruhi, you know what are we going to do? We are going to make a game called Bingo.
Bingo, what's the name of?
No. No. It's a game which I'll tell you, and shall we get started? So for making bingo a game, we need a cardboard. We had a spare cardboard with us. We need some markers, scale, scissors and some colors, and one glass jar bottle. If not glass jar, you can have a plastic bottle also. So let's get started. So now what we have done is we have cut the card box into these small rectangles. We have like 13 of them. You can have more, and we have taken 13, and we have cut these pieces to 100 pieces. How many pieces are there?
100.
You counted? Let me see if you have done it properly. So what Ruhi will do is, on these 100 chits, she is going to write number 1 to 100. So what basically happens is, in this they will also learn how to write, and even they will know their numbers well. So this is just one of a very interactive game, and we all have played this in our parties and everywhere. Ruhi, you know what? We used to play bingo in parties.
Very nice. You are lucky.
No, I know we are lucky, but even you will get lucky. So Ruhi has already started writing numbers on that chits, and she's going to write till 100. And even we'll know whether she knows how to write till 100 or no. Do you know how to write? Let's see. Start. So she has already started her thing. Meanwhile, what we will do is, we will make some squares in these rectangles. We will make squares, and in that also we will write random numbers. So I'll just get back. Let me just finish this, and then again I'll get back to you. I have made 15 squares. So all the cards will have these 15 squares. You can't have less, you can't have more, and it has to be the exact number of squares that you did. So every card of mine will have 15 squares. Ruhi, where did you reach? Oh my god, faster Ruhi.
I'm just
Ruhi, you're done? 100. So now we have written all these numbers in this sheet. It's up to 100, and I have made these cards, and I have written some random numbers in this. So now what we will do is, now we will make this a game. This is already a game. We will put all these chits in this glass jar that we have. Ruhi, put everything inside. So busy you are, Ruhi. So did you get any gifts on your birthday? Nothing? What was the whole room that we made for you? Nothing is enough for you, Ruhi.
chocolate.
Faster, then we have to paint that bottle also.
Paint.
Yes. So we have stuffed our chits in this jar, and Ruhi is going to color this jar. Ruhi, faster. Which color are you going to use?
Black.
Okay. How about painting whole black? Okay, yes, you're doing that. Start. Show me. Wow, start. Are you missing school? You are? You're missing your friends? Did you miss everyone on your birthday? Really? You want to say thank you to anyone for all the messages they sent to you?
I want to thank everyone who sent me birthday wishes.
Really? Can you tell them how much you love them?
I love everyone and I love you all.
You're missing them? So we have colored the whole bottle black and we are going to write something on that bottle.
This is ready.
What have you written on that? Ruhi.
Bingo.
Game is not written. We didn't have space, but we've written Ruhi Bingo. So we are almost done. So Ruhi's bingo game is ready. So these are the jar with all the chits and these are all the cards. So you will need more than 3 players. One person will read out the numbers and 2 people will keep this card and keep crossing the numbers. And people who yes, and people who finishes like the first line, second line first or top line first, they are the winners. So Ruhi, we are going to play this in the night with your friends. Not friends, of course with us. So tell everyone bye bye.
Bye.
And thank you everyone.
Thank you everyone. Please like and share Ruhi's World. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button.
Bye bye.